Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today, I am going to show you how to install the fully functional OneUI Keyboard on any non-rooted Android device, specifically for those running Android 13 and above. This is a great way to refresh your typing experience. However, I want to be completely transparent with you guys. I tried installing this on my Redmi Note 7 Pro, which is currently running on Android 16, and unfortunately it didn't work on my specific device. But since it relies on different architectures, you should definitely try it on your phone to see if it works for you. Let's take a look at the file we are working with today. You aren't going to find this on the Play Store. This is a specially ported APK file designed to bring the Samsung experience to other manufacturers. Make sure you download the exact version linked in the description below to ensure compatibility, as older versions might crash on newer Android builds. Once you have the APK downloaded, go ahead and tap on the file to begin the process. If your file manager asks for permission to install from unknown sources, grant it. Tap Install and wait for the progress bar to finish. It should be pretty quick. Once it says the app is installed, just click Done rather than Open for now. Now we need to make it your main keyboard. Go into your device settings, look for System, and then Languages and Input. Tap on On-Screen Keyboard and toggle the switch to enable the Samsung keyboard. Finally, select it as your default input method. Now, let's talk about what makes this update special. The developers have really polished this version. Previous issues regarding lags and bugs have been fixed, so the typing experience is much more fluid now. You will immediately notice major UI changes that are based on the latest OneUI 7 design language, giving your phone a very premium, modern look. It also includes some extra useful features like a customizable toolbar and better clipboard management. Honestly, if you are tired of the standard look and want the best Gboard alternative out there, this is it. It combines aesthetics with functionality perfectly. Go ahead and test it out on your device and let me know in the comments if it booted up successfully for you. Don't forget to drop a like if this was helpful and subscribe for more Android mods. I'll see you in the next one.